I wanna say thank you to Obama, you know. E grâce à Obama que fait nèg a pour faire moun comme ça. Nèg yo l'homme machine là, y a pour l'autant que c'est femme mouillé. En même temps que c'est femme yo. Yo pas femme temps même non mais nèg ça tired avec yo. Yeah man, I was walking down the street. This guy called me. He said, "I see you walking the street every day." I said, "Yeah, I live over there." You know. He said, "Oh, you live over there? I live right here." I said, oh, "Okay." He said, "Can we be friends?" I said, "No problem." I give him my number. Later on, he called me. He said if I wanna chill. I said, "No problem." You know, as us Asian, when we chilling, we got the barbecue on deck, the chicken on deck, you know, the grill on deck, legume, sauce on deck, you know, and the banana paste on deck, you know. We got everything on deck, you know, the clearing barbecue on deck, you know. Yeah, I said, "No problem." And I said, oh, later on when I go to his house, he said, "You wanna watch Netflix and chill?" I said, "My friend, what is Netflix and chill? Watching movie?" I said, "No problem." He said, "Later on we gonna chill." I said, "Oh, you better go buy the liquor?" He said, "Okay." Later on, this guy touched me. "Oh, you want this pussy right here?" I said, "What pussy?" He said, "This pussy right here." I said, "No, my friend, you don't got no pussy. You a nigga. You don't got no pussy." He said, "No, if you want this pussy right here, I can write it in your face." I said, "No, my friend, I don't want it. I don't want it." No, my friend, us Asian, we're not gay. You know, we don't have problem with gay, but we're not gay. Oh, if you want this pussy right here. No, my friend, not today, my friend. Not today. We don't like this type of pussy, you know. We don't like them.